Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First thing I'm seeing are these new dresses from Time and True. It's a lightweight flannel material, has that V neckline, buttons all the way down tiers. It's nice and flowy, has that same kind of fit through the back in the black with the pink. There's also the black with the green. These are going to be $19.98. This one's going to be really cute for the holidays. Red lip, knee-high boots, maybe a little cardigan. And then this one is also new from Time and True. It's a corduroy material, has that V neckline, similar cut, has the elastic on the wrist, and then tiers. That same kind of fit through the back. And these are $19.98. New peacoats from Free Assembly. These have that oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons. There is some texture. That's what it looks like up close. And then it's relaxed to the wrist, completely lined with the same detail in the back. Comes in the navy, the gold buttons, and there's a little bit of navy. And then also the ivory with that same kind of ivory center and the tortoise. It's a side pocket. And they are going to be $49. New tweed dresses from Free Assembly. How cute are these? So they have a higher neckline, relaxed, and then it's relaxed through the body. This is the zero. It has that drop tier, which is on trend, and then a zipper in the back. In the black tweed, it's very subtle, and then also this navy and white plaid, and they're going to be $34. I was here literally like 3 days ago, and these were fully stocked. So from Free Assembly, they have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, pearls to the whole front. It's a fit and flare, midi length, and the pearls do continue all the way around in the skirt, and they are going to be $32. New color in the sweater dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that scallop mock neck trim, the bell sleeve. It's relaxed fit, but if you size down, it is going to be more fitted, and then it ties in the back. That's what I did last year. I think I got the extra small. So it comes in the green, also in black, and they're $26. We also have new scoop today. So this one's a thicker material. It has that band around the neckline, sleeveless. There is a little bit of a shimmer with the drop tier. Has that tie in the back. It's oversized with that same kind of fit, and these are $34. I saw somewhere that navy is going to be the big color for winter. And then also new are these sweater dresses from Scoop. So they have that V neckline, the side seam detail, a relaxed fit with the seam detailing in the waist, all kinds of ribbing in each tier, and then the same fit through the back. So it comes in the green, also in black, which can't go wrong with red lip. You could do a silver, cute little bag, and perfect holiday little black dress, and they're $32. New rhinestone pieces from Scoop. So these look like they are a wide leg, let's see, low slung relaxed crop. They have the rhinestones through the leg. They are shorter, and then no rhinestones in the back, and they are going to be $29. And then how cute is this top? I love this one with jeans. You could do any other skirts. It's gonna look so good. So it's a stretchy, kind of almost, it's not sheer, but it's a lighter weight sweater. It has that higher neckline with the rhinestone trim. This is the large, and then that's the extra small. So I would say it is like more on the relaxed fitted end, and it comes in white. Rhinestones are also on the back, and the rhinestones, and they are going to be $22. New color in the little boxy shackets from Time and True. So these have an oversized collar, oversized tortoise buttons, the 2 flat pockets, a little bit of a drop sleeve, and then the button on the wrist. That same kind of fit through the back. So in that red, we saw it in the Time and True video. Now we're seeing it in this brown color. and they are going to be $24.98. New sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have a ribbed scoop neckline, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrist with that oversized ribbed bottom. You could see it has that raw hem, and then the same kind of fit through the back. They're a nice heavier weight. These are going to be $26. We also have these new thinner turtlenecks from Free Assembly. So these fold over once, has that oversized ribbed wrist. This is the small. It is a little relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom. In the gold, also comes in black, and they are going to be $20. I showed the little velvet overalls from Jessica Simpson in the trends video. So in case you missed that one, I'll show them again. These have that squared neckline, the little pocket in the front, band. It's a pork chop style pocket, wide leg. It looks like it is a little shorter, and then it ties in the back. So I wasn't sure if this was a jumpsuit or overalls, but it looks like online they have it listed as overalls, and they're $34. Also new sweater joggers from Free Assembly. They probably have the matching tops online because I'm not seeing them here yet. But these have that drawstring, the side pocket, true jogger bottom. They also have gold hardware. In the gray, they also have this navy, and it looks like they are $20. Also new mock neck sweater from Free Assembly. So this one's a little similar to the scoop option. It has that mock neck. This one has the raw hem on the side, and then it has the ribbed wrist, relaxed fit through the front and the back, and these are $24. So new mock neck sweater dress from Free Assembly. So it has that ribbed neckline, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrist. It is a midi length with the same fit through the back. In the black, also comes in green, and these are $26. New piece in that plaid. I love this plaid. I wound up picking up this dress that I shared, so it'll be in the haul. But this one has the smaller collarful button up into the waist, the smocking. It's a flowy skirt with the button on the wrist and the seam in the back. In the green plaid, also comes in the black, and these are $32. Body suits from Madden NYC. These have that higher neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, also in the body. Same fit through the back. In the red, also comes in black, and they are going to be $12. And then they also have from Madden NYC this new mock neck bodysuit. So it's that same stretchy material, has that mock neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $12. New off the shoulder sweaters from Madden NYC. These are so soft. They have that oversized ribbing. It's a relaxed fit, a little shorter. This is the small drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. It's also relaxed fit with that same ribbing in the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they are $17. New shimmer sweaters from Madden NYC. These have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It is a shorter boxy fit. Depending on how tall you are, this might be cropped. In the gray, also comes in a black with the silver. How cute are these? And they are going to be $18. Also new rhinestone jeans from Madden NYC. These look like they are a mid-rise. They have the pockets studded through the front, and then none on the back. In the black, also comes in the crystal with the blue denim, and these are $23.50. I love the off-the-shoulder sweaters. They have them right next to these new gold faux leather pants from Madden NYC. It's a cute holiday outfit. It has the button, zip, side pocket, also this cargo pocket. Looks like it's a wider leg with pockets in the back. In the gold, and they are $23. And then it looks like it also comes in like more of a champagne color, so like one shade less. New faux fur vest from Madden NYC. So these have that mock neck, has all of this quilting, elastic at the bottom, and then it continues around the back. In the white, also comes in the black, and they are going to be $24. Also new velour sequin skirts from Madden NYC. So these have an elastic waistband. It's a velour material with the sequins. It's like a mid-size with the little slit. And the seam in the back. In the silver, also comes in the black. and these are $16. To go with those skirts, they have these bombers from Madden NYC. These have that rib neckline, zip, lined on the inside, has the ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom, in the black, also comes in that silver. These are so nice for the price, $24. New plush faux fur coats from Madden NYC. So these have a smaller collar lapel, has this snap button, it's completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, and then that same kind of longer length and fit through the back. The quality of these is so nice, and they are going to be $30. They also brought back these fur trim cardigans from Madden NYC. I got this one last year. It's so nice. Really easy to dress up or down. I used to pair it with the tank and jeans and then dresses. Has this removable fur collar. Also the cuffs, a little tie, longer length through the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black. And they are going to be $22. And then also seeing a new two-piece set from Madden NYC. So this one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, nice and stretchy. The back has that same kind of fit, it does go up, and then the pants are pull-on, they have that elastic waistband fitted, and then the perfect amount of flare. I love this with just like a blazer on top. You're comfortable, but really cute, fun and festive. In the red, they also have the black with the silver, and these are going to be $25. So it looks like on the model they are a little shorter. So if you want some length, I don't know, it doesn't look too short for me for the extra small. Yeah, I would say they're true to size. I don't think you need to size up, but how cute. They also brought back these two-piece sets from Madden NYC. I picked it up last year, and that red color is super easy. I love to break up the pieces. I paired this with like black pants, a skirt, which is like a white button down, wear it together, throw a blazer on top. These are nice and stretchy. It has that mock neckline, sleeveless. And then the skirts pull on, it's pencil style. These are true to size. In the red, also comes in the silver, and the two pieces are only $19. I don't know where this orange color came from, but I really do like it. I know they have the vest in this color. So from Avia, these have that mock neck. It's quilted through the front, and then the soft stretchy fleece material with the thumb hole. Hood in the back. In the orange, also comes in the beige. There's gray and pink. And they're $24.98. New Barefoot Dreams dupes from Joyce Bun. These have a crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, little slits on the side, and then the same fit through the back. In the brown leopard, also comes in the black. They have the solid chocolate brown and ivory, and the tops are going to be $14.98. And then to match, they have a wide leg pant. These are high rise, side pocket, drawstring, same kind of fit through the back. In the ivory, the leopard, black and brown, and they're also $14.98. I don't know what color to get. These are really good. Look at the inside. We also brought back the plush hooded sweatshirt with the jogger pants. So these have a little embroidering drop sleeve, relax to the wrist, shorter fit with the hood in the back. Pants are jogger style with that elastic at the bottom. They also have the elastic waistband. In the ivory with hot cocoa, the red and black buffalo check with the teddy bear, the red hearts, it's like a plush look, and then the blue with the snowflakes. And the two pieces are $19.98. New plush hooded little like blanket, wearable blankets from Joyce Bun. It's called the Plush Lounger. So it has the kangaroo pockets, wrap style front, longer length with the hood in the back. In the ivory with this black embroidered trim. Also comes in the gray with that same trim. They have a red and black buffalo check. And then this pink plaid. And they're gonna be $17.98. Brought back one of my favorite jumpsuits from holiday time. So these are a plush hood, drawstring, full zip, kangaroo pocket, has the jogger bottom with the ribbed wrist. These are so comfortable. I think I wore this not last Christmas, like a gift haul the year before that, and these are $22.98. We have a new pajama print. Oh my goodness, I have to grab these because last season when they had this style for the Halloween. I didn't grab it, and then when I went back to get it, they were gone. But there's a plush pink, smaller, colorful button with the pocket. The pants are wide leg, nice and flowy. So now they have the pink, Ho Ho Howdy. They also have the red Rock Cats, which is also the one I loved. And you guys know I love the gingerbreads. And the blue Frosty and the green reindeer. And these sets are $19.98. Oh my goodness, new holiday pajama set. So they have the long sleeve hat GT with the jogger pant and the soft socks in stitch. They have skeleton jack. It says Jolly. There's a Hello Kitty with the little leopard pants. And then I love this one down here, the mini. They only have extra small. How cute. And they have Winnie the Pooh. And these sets are going to be $19.98. New holiday sets from Hanes. So they have these little bralettes with the Fair Isle print and then a green. The 2-pack is $16.94. It also comes in black and red. And then to match, they have the 3-pack in the black, the snowflake, and the green. And those are 3 for $9.98. They also have this little green style with the green match. It's a string bikini style. Those are $12.98. This is $12.94. The black with the gold. And then this burgundy, it says it has ultra soft viscose. You can do crisscross in the back, and that one's $15.94. New color in the knotted headband from Time & Tru. So now they have the red. We saw it in the black before. They're $4.98. They also have new bows from No Boundary. So they have a blue check denim. Also this black gray wash. These are $6.97. Right next to it, the little gold bow clips are $5.97. And then the silver melting hearts are $5.97. In the men's section, I'm seeing some new graphic tees. They have Lainey Wilson. There's also a new Green Day. It says these are $10. There's the Bronco. No, Red Hot Chili Peppers is new. New print and color in the slip-on sneakers from No Boundary. So I'm pretty sure these are online only. They have the round toe, that canvas material. They are, I think they're $15. Here they are. They're this style. And they're $16.98. They also come in the black and white. These Time & Tru suede boots are marked down online now. So all colors are down to like $17. They have that platform. They are a genuine suede material. And they do have a lot of colors online. I know there's burgundy and blue. In store they have like an ivory, silver, this camel, and the black. Also new slingback from No Boundary. So this has that pointed toe, the little buckle detail with the elastic back, a little bit of a chunky heel, and they are going to be $19.98. New boot from Aerosoles. These have that round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and they are $30. And then they also have this style new from Aerosol. These have a little bit of a square toe, this seam detail, chunky heel with the zipper on the inside. These are $35, and they also come in wide width. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.